Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about how to use a spare room as a multi-purpose room. So this room was filled with so many things you couldn't even get in the door, and the client wasn't sure if they were going to use it as a spare room, an arts and crafts room, or storage. So we've kind of done a combination. We've got these bins here ready with stuff for crafting. We've got all the toys for the children, the puzzles, the games. We've got a nice reading area here with all the books right here, ready to go, all organized. It is also a great use of storing seasonal clothes, and then overflow, toilet paper, paper towel, and then things like party favors, cables, power bars, puzzles, games, and sewing projects, and some seasonal winter things. So you see, when you have a purpose for a room, you can really utilize it and maximize it to the fullest. If you don't have a purpose for the room, then it just becomes a dumping zone. You don't want that, do you? Check out more tips and helpful ideas at GettingItTogether.ca.